Stop right now. Ask yourself, why are you wasting money running Google Ads? Yes, without properly set up enhanced lead from submission tracking, you are just burning money, not increasing your ROI. Inshallah, in this video, we will learn how to set up HubSpot from submission tracking with Google Ads, enhanced conversion tracking using Google Tag Manager. Navigate to Google Ads account. Now we create Google Ads config tag. Let's move on tools, then data manager, then click on manage. Here we got our Google Tag ID. Let's copy this. Navigate to Google Tag Manager, tags, new, tag configuration, select Google Tag and paste that we copied, and triggering should be initialization all page. Name the tag, then save. Back to Google Ads account, click on cross icon, then move on goals, scroll a bit, then click on create conversion action, then click on edit and paste here our website URL. Click on run, then scroll a bit, click on save and continue. Click on see all and select submit lead from. Click on plus icon, then select Google Tag and set up manually using code. Then conversion setting, click on drop down menu. Action optimization should be primary action. Scroll a bit, then name the conversion. Then select don't use value for the conversion action and count should be 1. And this setup I keep it as it is, and make sure enhanced conversion must be enabled. Then done. Click on save and continue. Then move on, use Google Tag Manager. Here we got our conversion ID and conversion label. Navigate to Google Tag Manager. Let's create a conversion linker tag. Tag, new, configuration, select conversion linker and linker option enable linking all page URLs, then triggering initialization all page. Name the tag, then save. Now we create a custom HTML tag using HubSpot from listener code. Again tags, new, tag configuration and select custom HTML, then copy this code and paste here. Name the tag, then triggering all page, then save the tag. Let's go preview. Enter here website URL, then connect. Go to the page where our HubSpot form is installed. Let's fill out the form and submit. Let's move on Google Tag Manager preview mode, then continue. Here we can see our form submission event. Let's select this and go to data layer. Here we got our user data, email and phone. Back to Google Tag Manager. Now we create data layer variable. Move on variable, new, variable configuration, select data layer variable. Now back to Google Tag Manager preview mode, then go to data layer. Here we see inside the from data object user data, email and phone. That's why we copy from data, paste here, then access user data, email. From object we use dot, then copy email and paste here. Let's name the variable, then save. Let's copy this variable back to Google Tag Manager preview mode and copy phone back to Google Tag Manager and paste here phone instead of email. Customize the name, then save. Now we create user provided data layer variable. Again new variable configuration is called a bit and select user provided data. For email, click on drop down menu and select our email data layer variable. Also for phone, name the variable, then save. Let's create the Google Ads conversion tag. Move on tag, new tag configuration, Google Ads conversion tracking. Back to Google Ads account and copy conversion ID as it is, then paste here. Also for conversion level, go to Google Ads account again and copy conversion level as it is and paste here. Then triggering, click on plus icon. Trigger configuration is called a bit and select custom event. Back to Google Tag Manager preview mode and copy event name as it is. Back to Google Tag Manager, then paste here. Name the trigger, then save. Also name the tag, then save. Now we create user provided data tag. That's why again tags, new tag configuration, Google Ads and select Google Ads user provided data event. Back to Google Ads account and copy conversion ID, then paste here. Then user provided data, click on drop down menu and select our user provided data variable that we created previously. Then triggering, select HubSpot from trigger that we create for Google Ads conversion tag. Then save. Let's finally submit our work. Name the version, then publish. Let's go preview and check our setup working properly or not. Fill out the form and submit again. Move on preview mode, then continue. Here we see our all tag fired. Back to Google Ads account and click on finish. Is called a bit and click on drop down. Here show inactive our conversion. Let's refresh the page. No recent conversion because nobody submitted the data form. It will show up once someone submit the form. Alhamdulillah, our Google Ads enhanced conversion tracking using Google Tag Manager with HubSpot from submit tracking setup done.